If you regularly work with hundreds or even thousands of files, renaming them one by one can quickly become frustrating. That's where bulk rename utility comes in. It's a powerful Windows application that lets you rename multiple files and folders at once using a wide range of customizable rules. At first glance, the interface may seem a little overwhelming because there are many different rename options available, but don't worry, you only need to use the sections that are relevant to your task. Start by adding the folders that you need to rename. Highlight the folders you want to rename. You can just press Ctrl A to select all of them. Let's try the Add a Prefix rule. I will write a new prefix that I want to enter and just press OK. As you can see, in the new name, I get the preview that my prefix has already been added. I can also do replace text. Again, I want to replace 100 with 101. As you can see, in the new name, you can already see the renamed files. You can also number the files. You can remove letters. You can add uppercase, lowercase. You can keep a name or add a new name. Once you're satisfied with the preview, just simply click Rename to apply all of the changes in a single operation. You can also preview before pressing Rename. Bulk rename utility is an excellent choice when you need advanced renaming rules, detailed customization, and support for complex file naming workflows. However, if your goal is simply to perform fast and straightforward bulk renaming with a cleaner, more beginner-friendly interface, you can also consider Easy File Renamer as an alternative. It focuses on making common renaming tasks quick and easy while still handling large batches of files efficiently.